Hey guys, welcome to UNILAD Adventure. Stretching down the spine of South America, from the world's driest desert to vast southern glacial fields, there's no doubting Chile's extreme beauty. But travel here can come at a slightly higher price tag than the rest of the continent, which means it's often overlooked by many adventurers. This week, we're here to tell you why this amazing country is worth those extra couple of pesos. Only a few South American countries can compete with Chile's epic landscapes. Chile guards some of the most pristine parts of our planet and many of the world's last true wildernesses. There's nowhere better to experience this breathtaking natural beauty than Torres del Paine National Park. Probably the most popular park in the whole of Chile, Torres del Paine is a tapestry of stunning snow-capped mountains, crystal clear waters and rolling valleys that have to be seen to be believed. With almost no roads, much of the park is only accessible by hiking or 4x4 tracks, so there's nowhere better if you want to escape into the wild. Deep in the heart of Patagonia, you'll find another one of Chile's hidden gems. The General Carrera Lake hides an amazing secret. The marble caves were formed by mineral-rich glacial waters over the last 6,000 years. Carving out intricate caverns, columns and tunnel systems and creating the beautiful hues of blue and green that you see today. The caves are only accessible by water, so we recommend you take a tour boat or rent a kayak. For any animal lovers out there, Chile has you covered too. This is Isla Magdalena, a tiny island and nature sanctuary that's inhabited by various species of seabirds, sea lions and most importantly, around 120,000 penguins. This is the largest penguin colony in the whole of South America, and thanks to impressive conservation efforts, the population is only getting bigger. These fearless little guys are surprisingly unfazed by humans, and actually breed more successfully next to the designated visitor paths, where the presence of people scares off predators. This makes the island the ideal spot for photographers hoping to get a close-up shot of these fascinating animals. The colony is only based here between September and March, and we recommend visiting in January when the penguin numbers are at their largest, or in early February when you're most likely to catch a glimpse of these very fluffy chicks waiting for their feathers to appear. Just in case we've not quite satisfied your penguin fix, you have to make a visit to Parque Pingüino Rey, otherwise known as the King Penguin Park. The park is home to a thriving population of majestic king penguins, the second largest species of penguin in the world. Many tour groups from the bigger nearby cities coordinate day trips to the site, so if you're in the area, it's an absolute must-see. We're still not done with Chile's incredible national parks. There are simply too many to name in just one video, but it would be a sin not to mention Queulat. Located in one of the most northern parts of the Patagonia region, this 340,000 acre park is both easily accessible and stunningly beautiful. Highlights include endless evergreen forests, stunning waterfalls and the iconic hanging glacier, a natural wonder that should be on every photographer's bucket list. If you ever needed more proof of Chile's astonishing natural diversity, you have to take a trip to the Atacama Desert, an absolute world away from the lush greenery of Patagonia. The Atacama is the driest desert on Earth, with some parts having never recorded rainfall. But far from being a desolate, arid wilderness, you'll find that it's actually overflowing with life, and the intense dramatic scenery is truly out of this world. No trip to Chile would be complete without a visit to the capital city, Santiago. Cosmopolitan, energetic, and chock full of grand architecture, top-flight restaurants, and world-class hotels, all against a stunning backdrop of snow-capped mountains. It's no wonder that over 40% of this country calls this city home. But even here in the big city, you're never far away from some jaw-dropping scenery. Just an hour outside of Santiago is Maipo Canyon, the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. The area is an outdoor lover's haven. Bungee jumping, rafting, horseback riding and fly fishing are all on the menu. You'd be forgiven for forgetting that you're just a stone throw away from a city of over 6 million people. Well, that concludes our list of some of the absolute best things to do on your Chilean adventure. This list is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what Chile has to offer, but hopefully it'll get you started. If you think we've missed anything out, leave your recommendations for visiting Chile in the comments below.